Please subscribe to this channel for more videos related to Catholic Christian teaching. The reality and integrity of Christ's human nature is especially guaranteed by the fact that Christ was truly generated and born of a human mother. Through his descent from a daughter of Adam, he was, as to his humanity, incorporated into the posterity of Adam. He had identity of essence with man and community of race. Christ became our brother. Relying upon 1 Corinthians chapter 15, the first man was from the earth, made of dust. The second man is from heaven. And Matthew chapter 1. But just when he had resolved to do this, an angel of the Lord appeared to him in a dream and said, Joseph, son of David, do not be afraid to take Mary as your wife, for the child conceived in her is from the Holy Spirit. The individual Gnostics, such as Valentinus and Apelles, asserted that Christ has descended from heaven to earth in a spirit-form body, and had gone through the Virgin without appropriating anything from her, just as the water flows through a canal. Gnosticism is a collection of religious ideas and systems that coalesced in the late 1st century AD. These groups emphasize personal spiritual knowledge above the teachings, traditions, and authority of religious institutions. Gnostic cosmogony generally presents a distinction between a supreme hidden God and a malevolent lesser divinity who is responsible for creating the material universe. Consequently, Gnostics considered material existence flawed or evil, and held the principal element of salvation to be direct knowledge of the hidden divinity, attained via mystical insight. The Church in her creeds teaches that Christ was generated and born of the Virgin Mary, that is, out of the substance of the Virgin Mary. Born of the Virgin Mary, born from the substance of a mother in time. In both the Old and New Testaments, the Messiah is designated as of the posterity of Abraham and of David. The New Testament explicitly stresses the true motherhood of Mary, Mary, of whom was born Jesus. Behold, thou shalt conceive in thy womb, and shalt bring forth a son, made of a woman. Among the fathers, St. Ignatius of Antioch, in particular, emphasizes that Christ is truly the race of David according to the flesh, that he was truly born of a virgin. The importance as regards salvation of the true and complete humanity of Christ and of his community of race with us lies, on the one hand, in the deed of atonement on the cross, which he, as our brother, has performed on our behalf, and on the other hand, in the ideal picture of noble humanity which he afforded us in his moral life. Please go to YouTube Retirement Mentality channel, playlist Doctrine of Jesus Christ the Redeemer for the complete series of these materials.